we have to surprise ourselves first.
Yes.
And let me tell you, ये म्यूज़िक एक्चुअली सरप्राइज़ नहीं है, ये फिल्म बहुत बड़ी सरप्राइज़ है, क्योंकि जब हमें बताया था अमर और डिनो सर ने कि वी आर मेकिंग अ लव स्टोरी इन द हॉरर यूनिवर्स एंड वी नीड अ लव सॉन्ग, एंड व्हेन वी मेड रहे ना रहे हमको ऐसा लगा यार ऐसा तो क्या ही प्यार कर लेंगे है ना। लेकिन जब अब हमने फिल्म देखी तो हमने सोचा ओ ऐसा भी प्यार कर सकते हैं.
Right.
So I think it's the universe that surprises us and gives us the scope to play. Formula is Dino sir and his trust in music.
Yeah.
He keeps music above everything, whether with us or with any other composer. I think his priority is to make great music, and he's one of the only producers I've seen who really takes the time. वो इतना वक्त देते हैं म्यूज़िक को, और कल गाना रिलीज़ होने वाला है तो आज तक उस पर मेहनत करने देते हैं और ख़ुद भी करते हैं. सो आई थिंक इसका मैजिक फॉर्मूला इज़ दिनेश विजन सर, एंड आई थिंक वी आर एब्सोल्युटली ग्रेटफुल टू वी हैव डन सो मच वर्क विथ हिम, एंड आई कैन प्रॉमिस यू दिस इज़ जस्ट द बिगनिंग.
ये गाना जब से इन्होंने हमको सुनाया है, पिछले 1 साल से हमारे कान में बज रहा था. इवन शूट पे भी हम ये बजाते थे जब भी हमको कुछ इमोशन लेके आना होता था, और हम पूरा एकदम डायरेक्टर ने जब ये गाना प्लेस किया है फिल्म में, कमाल आया है.
Yeah.
आप देखिएगा फिल्म में किस तरीके से ये फिल्म को और एनहांस करता है.
This is completely Rashmika's song.
Yes.
I am there admiring her beauty in the
Yes.
song. That's my character in the song, and
Yes.
she's of course singing for me. But yeah, it's her song. There's one section in between I'm dancing, but overall she's done the dancing and everything. We had only 2 days to rehearse. Last day on the set, और वो set बहुत खूबसूरत था. वो तोड़ने से पहले उसमें आपको यूटिलाइज करना चाहते थे, and we did that song. That was so impromptu as Rashmika said. तो ये इसके पीछे की कहानी है, but this is one of my favorite tracks in the film. और it has a good mix of everything, I think.
Yes.
Definitely gonna do what you don't want it to do, which is just going to eat you alive.
Yeah.
It's just on the loop and loop and loop because it's happening to me right now.
Right.
But as in, this is the first song I heard from the film because Dinesh sir had just played me the song, and I was like, okay, because I was like, okay, what is the emotion of the film, right? And this is the reference he had given, and today to see it come out in such a magical and enchanting way is something so special. And of course, Sachin sir and Jigar sir, I don't know how you guys do it. 16 years of non-stop blockbuster stuff.
We also don't know.
Really, I'm very proud, and I'm very grateful that I get to be in their direction.
You know, sometimes I feel कि अगर गाना चलता है तो I am not surprised, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. So you know, really there is such a huge cancellation amongst all of us. अगर मुझे, जिगर को, दीनू सर को और अमिताभ भाई को पसंद आ जाए तो फिर अमर सर एंटर करते हैं. तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन ही अमर है. हमारा जो कॉम्बिनेशन है उसमें एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट कड़ी है अमिताभ भाई जो लिरिक्स लिखते हैं. एंड आई क्लियरली रिमेंबर कि हम लोग गाना बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, ये बीट भी थी, बट वी वर रियली नॉट क्रैकिंग इट जब तक यू नो ही अराइव एट पॉइजन बेबी. आई मीन ही सेड पॉइजन बेबी एंड boom, the song was there, you know. So I think songs really literally come out of thin air. We can stand here all night long, take credit for it. But I think वो जब साथ में मिलके काम करते हैं, especially जितनी positivity दीनों सर के पास है, तो ऐसा लगता है कि उनके पास जब भी जाते एक गाना तो बनेगा ही बनेगा, अच्छा बुरा चाहे जो भी हो. And there is always that process of elimination. तो there are just way too many processes we follow. मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग आपस में इतने बड़े क्रिटिक्स है एक दूसरे के कि किसी और को मौका ही नहीं देना है, बस जो कि खुद ही कर लेते हैं.
1 साल पहले ये अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था फिल्म का, और आज डिनो सर ने बताया कि एक और अनाउंसमेंट है कि इस गाने का एक आयुष्मान खुराना वर्जन भी आने वाला है.
फ्यूचरिस्टिक अरेंजमेंट्स होते हुए भी कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ही इंडियन या रूटेड साउंड करता है. जैसे कि इस गाने में ही शुरू में थोड़ा सूदनेस, थोड़ा कामनेस, और बाद में जो बीट आता है उसमें हम वाइब भी कर सकते हैं बहुत.
The reason why, as in, it just came out of thin air, like sirs have been saying that music comes out of thin air, but this truly for me as an artist came out of thin air because one day Amar sir, Aditya sir, Dinesh sir were just sitting on the set and they were like, you know what, we have a idea and why don't we just shoot a song? It just came like that and I was like, let's go, and I didn't know what I was walking into.
Yeah.
And I had just come out of a fracture, which was like 3 months in. and they told me that this is the song that they want to shoot for. And I was like, huh, but how are you going to dance for this song?
Yes.
Because this is like a very heartbreak sort of a song, but also it is so interesting of how for a music like this they've created a dance like this. So I remember it just came out of that, and today to see it happen like this, and I always wanted to surprise my audience in a way that they didn't know what to look forward to. And I think Maddock is the best arena to do that. I feel extremely grateful. Thank
So
you.
sweet.
See? Grateful. And I look forward to Thama release. I think it's going to be a different experience for all of you. Thank you so much for giving us all this love always. I love you. Thank you so much. You make my life worth living. Thank you.